Hi, I'm Jen. Over the next 12 and a half minutes, I'll give you a quick overview of how Medbridge helps home health and hospice agencies solve the biggest challenges in today's care environment. Then we'll jump into a product demo and end with our different plan packages. Home health is at a major turning point. We're facing an aging population, a growing preference for care delivered in the home, and value-based payment models that reward quality and outcomes. That should be a huge opportunity, but most agencies are struggling to keep up due to staffing shortages, high turnover, and the need to support a younger, less experienced workforce entering the field. What we hear most often is that clinicians don't have the support they need, and leadership lacks clear visibility into readiness and performance because onboarding, training, and point-of-care tools are spread across disconnected systems, paper binders, and manual processes. So we built a single connected solution designed specifically for home-based care. We help agencies improve survey readiness and OASIS accuracy, onboard faster with role-based training, support clinical confidence and competence in the field, and develop and retain staff. Whether they're brand new or highly experienced, we give every clinician the tools they need to confidently provide safe, high-quality care and feel more supported and satisfied in their work. Our content and products are ACHC certified, CHAP verified, nationally accredited, and we are trusted by thousands of organizations nationwide, including 6 of the top 10 largest home health agencies. And the results speak for themselves. Everest reduced OASIS corrections by 28%, and Angmar improved nurse retention by 48% after rolling out Medbridge. Now, let's take a look inside the platform. Our home health and hospice platform has 3 main solutions: onboarding and annual training, point-of-care excellence, and ongoing training and mentorship. Each solution is made for your complete care team, from nursing staff and social workers to therapy staff, including physical therapists, occupational therapists, and speech-language pathologists, as well as caregiver staff like home health aides and certified nursing assistants. Let's dive deeper into onboarding and annual training. Onboarding is where quality and retention start. Our solution gets clinicians field ready up to 7 days faster by streamlining role-specific training, compliance, OASIS and HOPE education, and skills assessments. As an admin, you can quickly build and assign the right education for every role, track completion at a glance, and give your team access to our extensive library of home health and hospice-specific clinical and compliance content. You can create role-specific knowledge tracks and skills checklists to support your entire team of nurses, therapy staff, aides, and non-clinical staff, with access to hundreds of on-demand courses and resources covering documentation best practices, infection control, and chronic disease management, to name a few. You can also layer in company-specific training by easily uploading your own custom content and optionally adding quizzes, attestations, or surveys. Beyond role-specific training, keeping your agency audit-ready is essential. Our compliance courses help ensure your team meets the latest regulatory requirements with short, engaging modules covering infection control, HIPAA, OSHA, patient safety, and more. For OASIS education, we partnered with industry expert Cindy Kraft to build a comprehensive training model designed for both new hires and tenured clinicians. With hands-on case scenarios and micro-learning refreshers, organizations using our OASIS solution have reduced documentation errors by up to 28%, resulting in an average of $30,000 in annual reimbursement per provider. And if you need to train your hospice team on the HOPE assessment tool, we also offer a 3-course series with nationally recognized hospice expert Jennifer Kennedy. It breaks down each section of the assessment with real case demonstrations to build staff confidence and communication skills. As you can see here, Medbridge brings everything together in one place so you can manage onboarding and compliance with confidence. You can manage events, assign training automatically, track real-time progress across teams, view dashboards that surface completion and overdue tasks, and store documentation in one organized location. This means you're always prepared for a survey, and you can pull exactly what reviewers need in seconds. From a clinician's view, knowledge tracks appear directly on their dashboard, and they'll receive nudges to complete anything assigned or overdue. The final component of our onboarding solution is our skills product, built to replace paper checklists with a streamlined digital experience. Each skills program is made up of 3 parts. The program sets the overall training plan, who's involved, and what needs to be done. Checklists organize that plan into sections, like time periods or skill categories. And skills are the individual tasks clinicians complete, each with its own description and optional training resources. As an admin, you no longer need to manage paper binders. Everything is tracked and stored in one dashboard, as you can see here. You can create new skills programs or assign existing ones. We have made it easy for you to upload a CSV file containing all your required skills, which will instantly build out your programs in just 3 clicks. Simply add in resources from your own organization or choose from the hundreds of evidence-based procedural skills, assessments, and resources in the Medbridge library. It's easy to customize your skills training to your exact needs. Once created, programs can be assigned to an individual or your entire organization. You can also designate preceptors for each clinician. Preceptors can see their clinician self-assessments, view required skills and progress, mark multiple skills complete using bulk review, and add notes where remediation is needed. Everything is automatically logged, creating an audit-ready record of who completed what and when. Preceptors can view all of their assigned clinicians with easy views into self-assessment on competence and previous experience to create a focused coaching plan for them. Clinicians have everything they need to prepare for upcoming skills reviews. Our skills videos include step-by-step instructions with downloadable PDFs for reference in the home if needed. Clinicians and administrators can also download transcripts of all completed programs for any required documentation. Now, let's move into our second solution, point of care excellence. Our clinical procedure manual is where clinicians get the real-time support they need in the home. Fast access to procedures, videos, and step-by-step guidance so they can walk into any visit feeling prepared. Instead of relying on YouTube or searching the web, your staff has trusted, evidence-based resources right at their fingertips. Our accredited procedure library covers the wide range of situations clinicians encounter in the home, including functional assessments, wound care, and intravenous therapy. The tablet-first design makes it easy for clinicians to find what they need quickly, with fast search, filtering, and favoriting for commonly used procedures, saving valuable time at the point of care. With Medbridge, you can feel confident that your staff has the support they need to deliver safe, consistent, high-quality care in every home. Finally, let's look at our third solution, ongoing training and mentorship. Medbridge gives your staff complete flexibility in how they earn CEs, with thousands of on-demand courses, live webinars, CE-eligible podcasts, and a mobile app so they can learn anytime, anywhere. Our on-demand CE is truly best in class and built specifically for home health and hospice. We partnered with a Harvard professor to design courses for the adult online learner, with bite-sized chapters, case-based assessments, and a multimedia experience that includes slides, high-quality video, motion graphics, and real patient demonstrations. The content is always up to date, developed with leading instructors, and produced at the highest quality, which is where many alternative solutions fall short. For added convenience, clinicians can join live webinars for live CE credit or listen to podcasts during their day and earn credit with a quick quiz. And with a 4.9-star mobile app and overwhelmingly positive clinician feedback, Medbridge is the preferred education experience across home-based care. Medbridge makes CE flexible, clinically meaningful, and truly built for the realities of home health and hospice. To help deepen clinical expertise, we offer more than 20 self-guided certificate programs on essential home health and hospice topics. These accredited programs include high-quality video lectures, patient demonstrations, and practical scenarios so clinicians can immediately apply what they learn in the home. New programs are added regularly to keep pace with evolving best practices. And when clinicians just need a quick refresher or support with everyday soft skills, such as communication, efficiency, or handling challenging patient interactions, our microlearning and soft skills library offers short, bite-sized training they can immediately put into practice in the field. Now that you've seen the platform, let's take a look at our plans. We keep it simple. Our pricing is seat-based, and each plan aligns to the type of role on your care team, so you're only paying for the access each role needs. Most agencies start with their licensed clinical team. For nurses, administrators, social workers, case managers, care coordinators, and therapy staff, we recommend In-Home Essentials. This is our complete home health education solution, and with the exception of live webinars, includes everything we walked through today. CE, clinical procedures, skills, specialty training, microlearning, compliance, and OASIS and HOPE education. If you want full clinical development and point-of-care support, this is the plan. For aides and caregivers such as home health aides, certified nursing assistants, and personal care assistants, we offer In-Home Basics. This covers core caregiving training, onboarding, in-services, skills, clinical procedures, professionalism, communication, and compliance, everything needed for safe care and survey readiness. And for your non-clinical staff, scheduling, billing, leadership, chaplains, and other administrative roles, we have Business Essentials. This includes compliance, professionalism, and communication microlearning, as well as access to assigned organizational training. On top of these home health and hospice specific plans, we also have comprehensive plans you can choose from as needed for other roles in your organization, such as full CE access, our home exercise program, or RTM and pathways. These can be added at any time. Check out our plan feature comparison chart on the pricing page for a full breakdown of the differences in plans. If your team is 50 employees or fewer, you can purchase directly on our website and get started immediately. For larger teams or those needing HR sync or integrations, our sales team can walk you through volume discounts and enterprise options. Our goal is simple: equip every role with exactly what they need, maximize training value, and keep your per-seat cost as efficient and predictable as possible. Thank you for spending time with me today. Your clinicians do incredible work, and our mission is to give them the tools, confidence, and support they need to provide the best possible care in the home, while helping your organization operate more efficiently, stay survey ready, retain staff, and ultimately deliver stronger outcomes for your patients and your business.